All right, we're predicting lift here and we're working on natural hair and we're using something like a high lift or a permanent. And we need to figure out what kind of lift we're creating in the hair that we're working on. So when we create that lift, we have these remaining pigment charts that kind of guide us on what we might get. Now, I think what happens is because we see these every day so often and they don't ever explain these. It almost appears as though hair will lift like straight up. I don't know if that makes any sense, but just up in lightness. But that's not how hair lifts, okay? So hair lifts close to the center of the color wheel. And when we lift it, it's going to lift in a curve. It's going to come out, basically lose the brown, and then start to come up in lightness and around the color wheel. So it's going to get lighter and change color all at the same time. Now, you have to predict what kind of lift you're creating based on the strength of your formula. That's going to come from a few things. You're going to have to consider what natural level you started with, because the natural level 4 is going to lift through the curve very differently than a natural level 6. A 4 has way more melanin. It's going to take more time. The curve is going to have a different shape than the 6. It's going to depend on the category of color you chose. Is it a permanent? Is it a high lift? Is it an alkaline demi? It's going to be based on the level you chose and the volume of developer. And of course, texture. All of those things matter when you predict.